Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is RAMA WIJAYA. The topic of today's presentation is making chemical solution. The purpose of today's presentation is to give a little background on making solution. I have divided my presentation into 5 main sections. First, what I want to do is provide some background on the solution. Second, we will look at the various tools and material used. Third, I will process to how to make a solution. Fourth, I will process to the observational data. And finally, I will talk about experimental analysis. I will use PowerPoint for the presentation, and the presentation will take about 6 minutes. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt. I look forward to your comment on this topic. Okay, let's start with the first point, which is about solution definition. Listen to me. Okay, let's start the presentation. Making solution. I have 5 points of discussion. First, understanding solution. Second, tool and material. Third, procedure. Fourth, result or discussion. And finally, experiment analysis. Okay, the first discussion about understanding solution. One type of mixture that is most often encountered is a solution. In nature, most of the reaction take place in weather solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of atomics, molecule or ion of 2 or more substances. Generally, the solution consists of a solute and a solvent. The relative quantity of a particular substance in a solution called concentration. The concentration of the solution can be percent wax divided wax, the result gram of solute divided 100 gram of solution. Percent wax divided volume, the result gram of solute divided 100 of solution. Percent volume divided volume, the result ml of solution divided 100 ml of solution. Molarity, the result mole of solute divided liter of solution. Normality, the result the solute equivalent divided liter of solution. And finally, molarity, the result mole of solute divided kilogram of solvent. Solution can be made from the original substance, namely, solid required amount of solute solution. The result M multiplied V multiplied by M. M, the result molarity of solution. V, volume of solution. And Vm, the result the molecular weight of the substance. Gram multiplied mole. The solution to be prepared is in percent weight multiplied volume. then the amount of substance needed. Percent wax divided V multiplied V. Solution can be made from the original substance. A solid required amount of solute solution is M multiplied V multiplied Vm. M molarity of solution, V volume of solution, Vm the molecular weight of the substance. Gram per mole, the solution to be priced is percent wax divided V, then the amount of substances needed. Percent wax divided V multiplied V. Okay, B. Liquid, the solution made from the original liquid, is generally an organic acid base compound. The volume of the substance required is determined from the equation. P1 multiplied M1. The result P2 multiplied M2, or P1 multiplied N1. The result P2 multiplied N2. P1 is initial volume, M1 initial molarity, N1 initial normality, P2 is final volume, M2 is final molarity, N2 is final normality. Initial molarity is obtained from percent V divided V, or M the result percent multiplied V multiplied 1000 divided by M, or percent wax divided V, M the result percent multiplied 1000 divided by M. The purpose of the experiment. After doing this experiment, the students were able 1. Make a solution with a certain concentration of solid and liquid. 2. Make the solution the right weight and the right. 3. Use the equipment appropriately and correctly. Okay, the second discussion about tool and material. Tool and material. 1. Work glass. 2. Spatula stirrer. 3. Beaker. 4. Measuring plate. 5. Distilled weather bottle. 6. Glass panel rubber bell. 7. Measuring pipette. 8. Dropper pipette. 9. Makes glasses and gloves. 10. Material or substance for cation or an anion analysis practicum introduction. KMNO 4, HCl and FeSO4. And finally, substance bottle. Okay, the third discussion about procedure. For substance originating from solid or dissolving. First, the amount of the substance required is calculated. Second, the substance is weighed using a weight glass. Next, the substance is fed into a beaker. The remaining substance are supplied and reasoned with the demineralized water. Then, the substance is stirred until all the dissolved substances are in the water. After that, the solution is transferred to a polymetric plate that has been installed with a final. Next, the remaining substance is rinsed with the demineralized water. Then, water is added carefully to mark the limit. The measuring plate is closed and shaken while turning it back and forth until homogeneous. Finally, transfer it into a substance bottle. Label the substance identity, or name of the substance, or chemical formula for concentration and date. For substances of liquid origin or dilution. First, the molarity of the original substance is calculated based on the information on the substance bottle. Second, the volume of the substance required is calculated based on the dilution formula. Third, the minerality whether is piled 1/3 parts into the polymetric plate which will be used according to the volume. After that, the substance is taken using a measure pipette. Then, the substance is introduced into the plate stroke as well. After that, the plate is closed and shaken while turning back and forthing until homogeneous. Finally, the solution is poured into a substance bottle and labeled. Okay, the part discussion about result or discussion. Substance used, potassium permanganate. Physical and chemical properties. Color black, odorless, form is crystal solid. Change the black substance turn into a dark purple liquid solution. Next, ferrum sulfate, iron 2 sulfate. Physical and chemical properties. Color blue, odorless, form crystal or solid. As weights to 207x. Change the blue substance turn into a thin yellow liquid solution. Next, hydrochloric acid. Color is clear, odor thin or pink. Form liquid. Mass weight 36. Change the color clear liquid substance turn into a liquid and cloudy. Okay, finally, discussion about experiment analysis. The solution can be made in two ways, namely solid and liquid. If you are making a solution from a solid origin, you must first know how much substance is needed in grams. Meanwhile, To make a solution with a liquid origin, we must first know what the molarity and volume of the substance are. After all that is known, the experiment for making a solution can be carried out with the next step, such as word step. If a solution is diluted, the molarity or concentration of the solute in the solution will decrease. The properties of the resulting solution will no longer be exactly the same as the solvent to show the difference in concentration that arises. In this experiment, solutions made from solid and liquid have different physical form and chemical properties. For example, HCl, this solution has a strong smell both before and after being homogeneous with gases. Conclusion: to make a solution, we must first find the amount of substance required in advance with the formula. A. Solid. Required amount of solute solution is M multiplied V multiplied Vm. M, the result, M is molarity of solution. V is volume of solution. Vm is the molecular weight of the substance. If the solution to be prepared is in percent weights divided V, then the amount of substance needed percent weights divided V multiplied V. Okay, V liquid. If the solution made from the original liquid is generally an organic acid base compound, the volume of the substance required is determined from the equation P1 multiplied M1, the result P2 multiplied M2, or P1 multiplied N1, the result P2 multiplied N2. Initial molarity is obtained from 2% V divided V. M, the result percent multiplied V multiplied 1000 divided by M. 2% weights divided V. M, the result percent multiplied 1000 divided by M. In this experiment, the result obtained KMnO4 is black color crystal turned into a dark purple solution and are odorless. FeSO4, blue color crystal turned into a viscous yellow solution and has no odor. HCl, a thick solution turned liquid and cloudy and has a strong odor before and after dissolving. This is a picture potassium permanganate experiencing a color change. The black substance turned into a dark purple liquid solution. This is a picture hydroxylic acid. experiencing a color change. The clear liquid substance turns into a liquid and cloudy. Ferrum sulfate iron 2 sulfate. Experiencing a color change, the blue substance turns into a thin yellow liquid solution. Okay, thank you.